Hi, this is June from Kahuna Massage Chair AJX LLC, 7001 Village Drive, Suite 250, Buena Park, California, 90621. The reason why I'm here today is because we want to explain to you and show you how to assemble 6800. From beginning to end, we're going to make it easy for you to understand, and we want to explain everything for you and expedite the situation for you. First, we're going to open the box for you so that you could understand how to open the box. First, you want to grab one of the lines and make sure it's tightened and pull. And then you want to cut it. As you can see, there's going to be 3 boxes located inside of the box that you purchased. There's going to be side panels, there's going to be shoulder panels, and there's going to be cord and warranty and screws that are necessary to assemble your chair. The following are 2 panels. Left, as you can tell, it's going to say left on the left panel, the right on the right panel, right shoulder pad as the right shoulder pad, and left as left shoulder pad. And it's going to be 2 screws, one metal, one black, and there's going to be a tool that you're going to use to manipulate and assemble your panels. For this section, as you can tell, there's going to be a back cushion cover for this area. And after you put a back cushion on, which is this, there's going to be a cushion for your neck and your head that you're going to put and cover up together for your comfort. And as you can tell also, there's going to be attached remote control on the chair that is going to be already embedded together. First, we're going to do side panel installation. First, what you have to do is that you got to connect the tube together and make sure it's firmly inside. It's all the way inside, and we want to make sure that these 2 metals are going to inside of this holes right here. You want to find that hole together and put it inside, and it will naturally have this 2 plastics inside of this metal right here. First, you want to open up the zip bag here, and then you want to make sure there's going to be a hole that get in a match, and then you want to open it up together by using this tool, by plugging it in inside where the hole is, so that you know where the hole is. Like this, and then just go up and down and just see there's going to be a hole. And then after that, you will find these black nuts. You're going to insert this hole from here together, and then you are going to insert it here inside the hole. For this side also, you want to open the zip bag, and then you want to open the hole, and you want to find the hole together by using this tool. Yes, and you can tell it goes in and out. So you find the hole, and after that you take it out and use the nut, the black screw, and you're gonna find the hole, and then you're gonna screw it inside, and after that, after you plug it in, then you're going to zip it back. After you inputted the tubes together, you want to make sure to unfold only one side of the zip bag, like this, and then you're going to find the hole where it's going to be right here, right here, right here, with the sheet together like this. And after that, you're going to use these nuts right here, these metal nuts, and then you're going to several ones, and then you're going to plug it right here, and right here. After that, you want to make sure to unzip it back like this, and then here it goes. First, we're trying to install the back cushion sheet for this chair for LM6800. And as you can tell, there's going to be covers here, 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 and you're going to detach it by ripping it off. This is going to be the back cushion. This is the front side, this is where the buttocks go, this is the back side, and you want to make sure that you input this here with this hole right here, because this is going to be the heating option that you will have for LM6800. As you can tell, there's going to be 4 matches with this right here, and you're going to match it while you input this first. You put this in the hole for your heating option, this, and this is going to be your head cushion that you will have, and there's going to be a zipper in the back, same as the back cushion. There's going to be 2 holes here and here, one for power cord right here and one for this jack right here. When you insert this jack into this hole right here, you want to make sure for one thing, there's going to be a slight bend right here inside this hole, and you want this to be on top. So when you plug it in, this goes on top when you insert in that hole right here, like that. And then after that, you're going to insert the power cord together, this side right here, into that hole. You want to make sure that the holes are right. You don't want to plug in the wrong way. Finally, you can put the power cord together. After that, you want to make sure to turn on the switch, the power switch, which is going to be in the lower end, like this, and it will automatically incline itself. Thank you for watching Kahuna Massage Chair AJX LSC LM6800 round installation. Yours truly. Thank you so much.